Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to upload your local project into GitHub repository using Visual Studio Code. So first I will create one folder in my local machine and create a new project. So let's say here in this directory I will create a new folder which is, let's say, my first project, and let's open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. So click on the file, open folder, go to the directory. Then source code. Right, so here we have opened the directory and let's add one folder. Let's say script. Inside the script folder, let's add one file. Let's say demo.js. And here I will just assign one new variable. Let's say tab. Okay, so we have created this project in our local machine, right? So we want to upload this project into our GitHub repository. So let's go to the GitHub. So I am logged in with my GitHub account here, right? And I will create a new repository here. So let's click on new. I will give the first rep- first. So this is my repository name. I will keep a public repository, right? And click on create repository. So now you can see the repository is created, and here you can see some instruction, right? So we'll follow this instruction to upload our local project into this repository. So let's copy this first command and go back to Visual Studio Code. Open the terminal and paste that command. So this command will add one readme.tmd file into a project. So here you can see that readme.tmd file is added. Basically, this file used to add our project description. Right. Now let's go and run the git init to create your local repository. I can see this local repository is created. Now copy the next command, and this command will add this readme.md file into a local repository, right? But I have some other file which I need to add into my local repository. So what I will do, I will remove this readme.md and simply I will add all. Okay? So git add hyphen hyphen all, right? All it will add all the files from this project into my local repository. So let's click on enter. Then copy the next git commit, go back to terminal and commit with the this message first commit. Open the main branch. So I can see this repository open with this main branch. Now copy this command. This command, right, git remote.add. Basically this command will connect to you into GitHub repository. Right, so now this git push and origin main. right? So this command will push our local repository into a remote repository. Now click on enter, right? So now you can see all the local files or our local repository pushed to our remote repository. Now go back to your GitHub account, and if you can refresh this. So let's see, these are the files, right? This is our local project which is uploaded into the GitHub repository. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.